Canadian fried chicken is not created equal. 6 chains in this country are actively letting you down, and 4 of them are doing it so right that it almost makes up for the others. Spending your hard-earned loonies and toonies on a soggy and rubbery piece of chicken is one of the most avoidable mistakes you can make. We are going through all 10 of these restaurants one by one with no sugarcoating. By the end of this video, you will know exactly where to take your business and which drive-thrus to keep rolling past without even slowing down. KFC Canada. Once upon a time, this was the chain and the undisputed king. Canadians lined up for it, kids begged their parents for it, and the original recipe was truly something special. Colonel Sanders built a real institution, and nobody can take that history away. Right now, in 2026, the feedback from Canadians coast to coast tells a quite clear story of soggy breading, noticeably smaller pieces, and prices that have no business being where they are. The popcorn chicken was once a proud crowd favorite, but has lost what made it worth ordering. The reasons for this decline are easy to see. The chain scaled so fast and so wide that quality slipped right through the cracks, and adjusting it back has proven extremely slow. Your money genuinely deserves more than that. Tim Hortons was founded in 1964, and the brand is woven into the daily routine of millions of Canadians. Their coffee is solid, and their Timbits are a national treasure with no argument needed. Their crispy chicken sandwiches and loaded bowls are a genuine miscalculation. The chicken is often pre-cooked and frozen before it even arrives at the restaurant, and then it gets reheated in a rapid oven. The result is a rubbery texture and meat so dry that it barely has any flavor left in it. Tim's is a coffee and baking operation trying to moonlight as a lunch spot, which means their chicken gets treated like an afterthought. You should seriously stick to the coffee. Chester's Fried Chicken is heavily franchised and almost always found tucked inside Canadian gas stations and convenience stores. The concept makes sense at first glance, allowing you to grab fuel, grab chicken, and go. That heat lamp is the primary problem. You never know how long that chicken has been sitting there, whether it is 20 minutes or 2 hours. There is truly no way to know, and that uncertainty shows up in every bite. The meat dries out fast under constant heat, the crunch disappears, and what you are left with is an inconsistent gamble. Sometimes Chester's surprises you, but most of the time it does not. The best defense people offer for it is that it depends on the location, and that tells you everything you need to know right there. Pizza has been a Canadian favorite since it opened in Toronto in 1967. They have almost 60 years of feeding this country, and their pizza is widely respected. When it comes to their fried chicken and crispy wings, that trust does not carry over. Pizza ovens are built for baking on high and dry heat, and they are not deep fryers. Surprisingly, even though pizza locations are equipped with deep fryers for their wings, their breaded chicken still falls short of expectations, leaving the meat tough and chewy. 2 completely different cooking methods forced into the same kitchen is a tough ask for any team. Pizza knows pizza, but their chicken is lacking. Burger King Canada has been competing loudly in the chicken sandwich wars since they began about 7 years ago. Every few months, a new sandwich gets announced. While their newer premium sandwiches use whole breast meat, the classic original chicken sandwich is a heavily processed, flat and uniform patty that feels much closer to a giant nugget. The sodium levels run high, the authentic chicken flavor is thin, and for the price you are paying at a Canadian Burger King today, the value just is not there. This purchase is honestly not worth your money. Swiss Chalet holds a special place in Canadian food culture, and that respect is fully deserved. Founded in 1954, this chain built its entire reputation on slow-roasted rotisserie chicken paired with that iconic Chalet dipping sauce. This concept was brilliant then and remains brilliant today. When you order their crispy fried chicken strips, you hit a wall fast. They arrive dry, overbreaded, and priced higher than chains that built their whole identity around actually frying chicken. This represents a classic letdown. The strips feel like an afterthought sitting beside a masterpiece on the same menu. Go in, order the rotisserie, dip it in that sauce, and do not even glance at the fried options. That is the best approach. Now we can look at the good news. 4 chains across Canada are nailing this right now, and they deserve every bit of recognition coming their way. Mary Brown's Chicken is the one. Founded right here in Canada, in St. John's, Newfoundland in 1969, Mary Brown's has been quietly doing it better than almost everyone else for over 50 years. Every single store makes their chicken fresh, from scratch, every day. They use real Canadian chicken, marinated properly, and fried in special cookers that trap the juices inside each piece. Nothing is frozen and quietly reheated in the back. Their potato wedges, known as taters, have their own dedicated fan base for a very good reason. This is what Canadian comfort food should always look and taste like. This represents top-tier quality without any doubt. Jollibee arrived from the Philippines and has taken Canada completely by storm over the last few years, and the enthusiasm is justified at every level. Their signature Chicken Joy has a crunch so audible you can hear it across the table, and the meat underneath is marinated right down to the bone, giving it a slightly savory and deeply layered flavor that separates it from every other chain on this list. Then there is the gravy dip. Crispy, golden, hot chicken dunked into their warm signature gravy creates a combination that is hard to match anywhere. Many wonder if it can really be that good, but trying it once will answer that completely. Jollibee has earned every Canadian fan it has picked up. Dave's Hot Chicken came out of Los Angeles and has spread widely across Canada, especially in Toronto, and the enthusiasm is fully justified. Their entire menu centers on large, juicy chicken tenders, and they hand you full control over the heat. Starting from no heat and climbing all the way up to the Reaper level, the spice scale is very real, and the experience shifts dramatically at every rung you climb. The chicken is tender enough to pull apart with your fingers, seasoned all the way through, and served alongside soft bread and pickles that cut through the heat at every single level. This is not a gimmick at all. It is an excellent product that keeps Canadians coming back week after week. Church's Texas Chicken rounds this out, and if you are in British Columbia or Ontario, you already know exactly why they made this list. Their chicken is hand-battered in small batches throughout the entire day. It is not prepared once in the morning and left to coast. It is hand-battered and fresh in every single batch. The pieces come out consistently large, aggressively crunchy, and packed with flavor from the crust straight to the bone. The real standout on their menu is their honey butter biscuits. That pairing of salty, crunchy chicken with a warm, soft, buttery biscuit is the kind of meal you eat once and then quietly think about for the next 3 days. Church's does not cut corners, and you can taste that care in every bite. 6 chains are not worth your money, while 4 chains truly are. Mary Brown's is great for pure Canadian pride and fresh-made quality. Jollibee offers bold, bone-deep flavor. Dave's Hot Chicken is perfect if you want to push your limits. Church's Texas Chicken brings crunch and comfort done with genuine care. Your next fried chicken run just got a whole lot easier to plan. You know the list, and you can trust it.